Today we are going to learn how to create and view custom fields in HappyFox. Custom fields can be used to store additional information about a ticket and/or contact. You can create and view custom fields by navigating to the main menu at the top left here and clicking the Custom Fields option under the Manage tab. There are two different types of custom fields in HappyFox: ticket fields and contact fields. Let's take a look at contact fields first. Contact fields are used to collect more information about the end user or customer, apart from basic information such as name, email, or phone number. So if the ticket comes from an internal end user, you may want to capture information like their office location or department. If the ticket was raised by an external customer, then you may want to capture information such as their subscription plan or company name. To create a custom contact field, select the plus icon here. And over here on the right, you're going to begin by creating a custom field name. Let's go with the department example for today. We'll enter in the name of the field, choose if it depends on a previous field being selected, therefore establishing a parent-child relationship. Select the type of field, whether that's a text or number box, date format, multiple option, or drop-down. If we select drop-down, we can now enter in various options underneath. There's also a help text for agent box listed here. This box will show up for your agents when building a ticket internally. This way it gives them more information about which option to choose in the custom field. Under Visibility and Require Preferences, we can indicate if the field is going to be an internal field, meaning visible only to agents, or a field that's visible to everybody, including contacts. Before you hit Create, make sure to select if the field is a required field that must be selected or not. Once we hit Create, your custom field is built. To view the custom fields when creating a ticket internally as an agent, back on your ticket queue here, you can select New Ticket at the top right, and your custom contact fields will show up here. Once the ticket has been created, you can also see those custom fields populate on the right side of the ticket details page here. And finally, when an end user submits a ticket on a self-service portal from HappyFox, on the Submit Ticket page at the bottom here, they can also view those custom fields. Now let's take a look at how to create custom ticket fields. Custom ticket fields are used to collect more information about the ticket, like the type of request or the type of issue, and are related to specific ticket categories that you've created. To create a custom ticket field, select the plus icon again here, and we'll begin by entering a field name. In today's example, we'll create a custom field called Request Type. Once again, we can choose if it depends on a previous field being selected. Select the type of field, whether that's going to be a text or number box, date format, multiple option, or drop-down. Today we'll go with a drop-down example. Enter in the various options under the custom field. You have the same help text for agents box displayed here. And now we have some more options to consider when selecting the visibility preferences. Once again, we can select if the field is an internal field or not, if it's required upon ticket submission. Now we can choose if it's required on ticket completion, and if we ever need to switch the category of that ticket. The last step is choosing which category this custom field will be associated to. Once you hit Create, the custom field is built. Now let's take a look at how custom ticket fields can be displayed for an agent when submitting a ticket internally. Back on the Tickets page here, when the agent selects New Ticket, they can view those custom fields after they've chosen a ticket category. So we're going to choose our Product Support category, and then notice the custom field that we built for tickets will show up right here. After the ticket has been created, we can see those custom fields show up on the right side of the ticket details page. And finally, an end user or contact can also see these custom fields on the Submit Ticket form on a self-service portal. By choosing the correct category again, they'll be able to see those custom fields that you've created. In HappyFox, we also let you manage and view your custom fields and perform a number of different options like editing, deleting, or cloning those custom fields. To view a read-only form of the custom field, select the field that you've created, and up here at the top right, you'll have the option to edit the field, clone, or delete the field. Please note, only agents with Manage Custom Fields permissions can view these options in HappyFox. To learn more about custom fields, please visit support.happyfox.com.